Okay, peoples, the election is over. The Electoral College met today and awarded now President-elect Joe Biden with 306 electoral votes. He has now won the election, which means Donald Trump is a one-term president, and we're going to make a drink, a cocktail to celebrate this momentous day. Normally it's a day that we don't celebrate very much because there's an orderly transfer of power. But the current president hasn't seen that way and has filed frivolous lawsuit after frivolous lawsuit on bogus claims of fraud. And now the Supreme Court has rejected him, has every state Supreme Court, more than 50 lawsuits. So we're going to make a cocktail that I created myself. That's a combination between the bitter end and the sore loser. And I'm calling it the bitter loser, which I think is apropos for today. So what does it call for? Well, we're gonna start off with some rye whiskey, and we're gonna pop that right in our mixing glass. Then move on to some bitter Campari, and there's an ounce of that as well. I'm gonna pop that right in there as well. Now we're gonna move on to some Fernet Branca. For those that don't know, this is some tough stuff. It's very strong and very bitter, and sort of in the Jägermeister camp as far as I'm concerned. I'm sure it's not exactly that, but close enough in my book. And then we're gonna add some sherry, some Amontillado. Again, I can't speak Spanish, so Amontillado sherry. And we're gonna do a ½ ounce as well. It's dry, it's dark, it's a little bitter. And then we're gonna add 3 dashes of our Angostura bitters from Trinidad. And then we're gonna add 3 dashes of our orange bitters. Which I don't know where that's from. New Orleans. So great stuff. We are gonna stir that around so it's nice and cold. And now we're going to pour it into our old-fashioned glass on the rocks. And then we're gonna express a little bit of orange peel into it. Rub that rim, much like you do in a Negroni, right? What the hell, we're gonna throw it right in. Anyway, here it is, the bitter loser to our one-term president and our new president-elect. Salute. That's some tough stuff. I don't want to have to drink this again.